Here is our special project. This is a Fleischmann V200. It is a German locomotive, and we need to rebuild it. Actually, runs not too bad. Now, I don't know a lot about this, but I believe this is a 1960s. The prototype was 1960s, and I believe this is probably like a 1980s version of this locomotive. I don't know what's inside it. It feels really heavy, and it's a little bit dirty, but we are going to repaint it. We need a new locomotive for the next painting group. We need to do a high definition painting clinic of the contrast paint. We'll probably put this SD9 and this GP9, and we'll go with that B200. And we're going to rebuild that B200. It's actually kind of cool. I don't know how we're going to do it yet. We're going to put Katie couplers on it because I'm going to use it. I'm going to put that thing in service. So this will be the beginning of our V200 project.